Hey, how you doing? So I've been scouring through the internet. I checked YouTube, I checked Reddit forums, I checked Facebook, and I just could not find a good tool to scrape web pages and just take that content and put it into a cell. So ultimately, what I was trying to do is get all the content and then use ChatGPT to pretty much create a unique one-liner. Okay, and didn't quite exist, or the ones that didn't quite work as well. And I'm sure there are tools out there. They're all paid, but I went ahead and built my own, all within Google Sheets. And a custom script. So I'm going to show you how this all works. And if this is something that you think you could use, you know what? I'm giving it away for free. So there's going to link down below. Feel free to click on it and just make a copy of this and test it out yourself. All right. Let me know what you think. If you have any thoughts, comment below, and any other suggestions, let's hear it. You know, you're free to use it, right? No charge. So let's get started. So here we are. I created a little README document so you can look at it later. I'm going to go straight to the meat. And here it's just a URL column. And just imagine, I mean, there's only 4 here, right? But imagine it's like 2,000, right? 2,000 different sites. You might have gotten it from scraping or whatnot, right? So your URL column's right here. So now we want to pretty much get everything from this website. This is my agency, Design Source Media. So let's say I don't want to read all this. I just want to grab all the content. I go into this area right here, URL text miner, and then click on copy text from URL. So it's gonna run a script. Now, I've ran this before. The first time you run it, it will ask you to authorize, like, hey, do you allow this script to run, right? And then just authorize. And you know what? If you're not sure, hey, should I run this? You can look in the extensions, open up the app, and look at the code yourself, right? So no problems there. Just first prompt here. Enter the letter of the column where URLs are located. So it's column A. So enter in A. Okay. And the next one is, where do you want the data to be placed? So B, boom, B, hit OK. And like magic, it is running. So boom, boom, boom. All right. So now you have all this data. What does it look like going into here? You can see the data is all here. Now, I just threw together, I had this prompt, but you can make any prompt you want. For this particular prompt, it doesn't work naturally. You have to use the extension called GPT for Sheets and Docs. It's free. They're awesome. You just need an API key, and you just create an account through OpenAI and get the API. And then you'll be able to integrate that, and then you'll be able to run cool things like this. So there you have it. There's your one-liner without having to even go onto the site, right? So I hope this helps. If it has, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll be producing more content similar to this, and I will see you next time. Bye.